Stamps and envelopes. A family photo. Acne Medicine. Printer ink. Coffee filters. Pens and pencils. Hand sanitizer. Magazines or other light-reading material. Socks and undies. Air fresheners. Earplugs. Multivitamins. Hot sauce. Antacids. Lysol Wipes. Shower Loofah. Advil. Gourmet Coffee. Energy drinks. Toothbrush and Toothpaste. Tupperware. Laundry detergent. Personal hygiene products, deodorant, shampoo, conditioner, body wash. First aid kit. Ziploc Bags. Bedroom organizers. Grocery store gift cards.
Hey guys, thank you so much for the support and likes and comments down below, and also thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next video. Then take care. Bye.